Good morning, student. Let's continue chapter 1. Today's topic is composition of functions and invertible function. Let's start composition of functions. Let f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c. Then composite function of f with g is GOF. Okay, student, and it is from A to C. It is known as composite function and defined as GOF x is equal to GFX for all x belongs to set A. But necessary condition for GOF is range of f must be subset of domain of G. It means, student, range of this function, okay, range of function f must be subset of function G. Okay, so RF always subset. Here it is C set, student. So set C. Then only GOF exists. Okay. Venn diagram for this composite function, student. Let A is a set and X is an element. Okay. Then image of this X is Fx under the function F, and now image of this Fx under the function G, it's Gfx, it's G under the function G, and this is known as GOF. Okay, student, means X is an element, image of X is Fx. Now Fx consider as an element and image of Fx is Gfx. Okay, now student, now for FOG, okay, so for FOG, okay, for this to set to function, it will be set B to B, okay, and for this range of G must be subset of domain of F, okay, means range of G function always must be subset of domain of F. Now student, make a note. Now student, let's try to understand GOF and FOG by taking an example. The question is A is equal to set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is a set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. C is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 and 23. And here F is defined from A to B, G is defined from B to C. And Fx is given by student 2x minus 1 and Gx is 2x plus 1. Find GOF or FOG, whichever is possible. Okay, so let's start solution. First we check for GOF. Okay students, so for GOF we find the range of F. Here range of F. F is defined from A to B, student. Okay, and Fx is 2x minus 1. For find the range, if I am taking in place of x is 1, then Image of 1 is 1 student. Image of 2. Image of 2 is 3. Image of 3 is 5. Image of 4, it is 7. And image of 5, it is 5 to the 10 minus 1, it is 9. So range is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And see here, domain of function G is set B. Set B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we can say that range of F subset of domain of G. It is set B. Hence GOF exists. Okay, means it is possible. Now find GOF. For GOF student, G Fx. Okay, G in place of Fx, which is given in the question, substitute 2x minus 1. And now go for Gx. Here Gx is 2x plus 1. So in place of x, substitute 2x minus 1. Now consider this whole value as x. So you will get student 2x minus 1 and it's a plus 1. It is 4x minus 2 and plus 1. You will get student 4x minus 1. Now for G F1, okay, from here I am taking the values. GF1, it is 4 into 1 minus 1, it's 3. And now GF2, 8. Substitute the value of x here, student. You will get 4 into 2 minus 1, 4 to the 8 minus 1 is 7. GF3, it's 4 into 3 minus 1, 11. GF4, it's 4 into 4 minus 1, you will get 15 student. And GF5, 4 into 5 minus 1, you will get 19. So GOF is, it is from which set student? We are finding GOF. So GOF A to C and given by 1, 3, 2, image of 2 is student, it's 7, 3, image of 3, 11, 4, 15 and 5, 19. Okay, so it is GOF, composite function of F with G. Now for FOG. If you want to write student, first make a note. For FOG student, find the range of G. Okay. Here Gx is given 2x plus 1. Substitute value of x. G is defined from B to C. So from B, first element is 1. You will substitute 2 into 1 plus 1. It's 3. Now for G3, it is student 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Now G5, 2 into 5 plus 1, it's 11. Now G7, 2 into 7 plus 1, it's 15. Now G, it's 9 student. So 2 into 9 plus 1, it is 19. Okay. See, so range is range is 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19 range of G. Now what is the domain of F? F is A to B. So here A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not RG, it's not subset of domain of F. Since student here domain of F is set A and range of G is this 3, 7, 11, 15 and 19. Hence we cannot find FOG. Okay student? Now next concept, invertible function. I will take more question student of FOG, GOF according to the exercise. It was only an example. Okay. Now first I am taking a concept, invertible function. Let f be a function defined from x to y. Then if there exists g is a function from y to x such that GOF is equal to Ix and FOG is equal to IY. Here student, I is an identity function. Okay, it means that image of x element of GOF is x and image of any element in FOG is itself. Okay, it is known as identity function. If GOF is equal to Ix and FOG is also identity function, then only inverse exists and G is defined as inverse of F and written by F inverse. We can write G is a inverse of F. Okay. Now, next another concept for this invertible function is student, for invertible function F must be 1, 1 and onto function. Then only it will be identity function. Composite function of F will be identity function if F is 1, 1 and onto function. Okay. So for check the inverse is exist or not, first we have to check that F function is 1, 1 and onto. Okay student. Now let's start exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 question first. Here it is given that F 1, 3, 4 and 2, 1, 2 and 5 and G is defined. G is from 1 to 5 and it's 1, 3. You also write the question student, be given by F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1 and G is 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1 and write down GOF from this. Find GOF only. Okay, student? Now, GOF, I am starting from F, student. It is GFX, like this. G, F1. First element is 1. Here, student, image of 1 is 2. So, it's 2. Now, see in the G, image of 2 is 3. So, G2 is 3. Okay. Now, same for GF3. It's G. Now, image of 3 is 5. And now, see inside G, image of 5 is 1. Next, GF. Third element is 4. Image of 4 under the function f, it's 1 and G1 is 3. So, student, GOF is image of 1 is 3. So, we can write 1, 3 and from here image of 3 is 1, 3, 1 and image of 4 is 3. 4 is 3 on. It is GOF. Next question. First I am taking the easy. Let's do the next question. Today student, I am taking some easy questions. In the next video we will discuss the proof that type questions. The question third is find GOF and FOG. Here student, first fx is given mod of x and gx is given by mod 5x minus 2. Second part of this question is fx is equal to 8x cube and gx is equal to x raised 1 by 3. Now solve the question. For GOF first, okay student, write GFX. Take in bracket in place of O. You will get G. Now FX. What is FX? First part, it's mod of X student. Now go for G. Here GX is given mod of 5x minus 2. So in place of X we have to write mod of X. It is mod x minus 2. Now for FOG, first question, okay, FOGX, it's FGX, here F. Here GX is given student, modulus of 5x minus 2. Now fx is given mod of x. So it is student mod of 5x minus 2. It is mod 5x minus 2. Now second part of this question is fx given. So first GOFX, it's GFX, hence G. fx is given 8x cube. Substitute here 8x cube. Now gx is given x raised 1 by 3. So in place of x, it's 8x cube whole power 1 by 3. 2, it's 2 cube student. 3 cube whole power 1 by 3. Cube power will be cancelled, so you will get only 2x. Okay. Now for FOG. FOGX. It's FGX. F in place of GX. X raised 1 by 3. And now FX is 8x 1 by 3 whole power cube. You will get student 3 will cancel, 8x only. Okay. In the next video we will do some more question of exercise 1.3. Okay. You try all the question students. Okay. Thank you.